This is a 2017 Cadillac XT6 luxury package. It's very hard to tell right now, but the car is actually a really dark green color. The sun's not out, so it's really hard to tell right now, but when you get that sun on it, you'll see it pop some green. So I would Google this dark emerald green on Google and see what kind of pictures you can find to really show off the color. I've also taken some pictures where the sun was on it just right so you can tell. A very unique color. Some Goodyear Touring tires, really pretty silver rim. You have illuminated door handles here at night. Got the black leather. Really nice premium floor liners. You can open up your shades, front or back, either or. There are just a ton of options on this car, so I'm just going to go over some of them the best I can. All 4 door sill plates are illuminated. I don't know if you can tell that. There's your floor liners. Black leather. You have a really nice armrest system here. Push that button, get your cup holders, a little storage. Some more there. You also have a pass-through to go to the trunk. These have BOSE audio. There's a ton of speakers in this system. I can't remember how many. I put it in the comment section, but it is a lot. So it sounds amazing. You got the screens here. Sun's coming out a little bit. I don't know if that green's, you can see that green a little bit more. Reverse parking sensors. It is a power lift gate or power trunk there. Spare tire. Got your button here for the lift gate. See the LED tail lights. It's already got the window tint on it. If I had to guess a percentage, I would say it is 35%, which you'll see that on a lot of factory vehicles. Both driver and passenger have the memory seating. You can see your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. You have a button for your trunk pop here. You can see your BOSE audio there. .360-degree view camera. Another cool thing is you have this rear view mirror camera here. You can turn that on or off. Up top, here's your shades. Push these buttons for the shade. You also have for the back glass. I'm going to push that button and so you can see it. Push the button and you get your shade there. This one has built-in navigation, a ton of safety features. You have the safety alert seat, forward collision, front pedestrian detection, rear cross traffic alert, lane change alert, all that good stuff. Push button start. It does have a low tire light. We need to run this through service, do our full checkup on it, oil change, all that good stuff. They'll air up the tires and check them, so don't worry about that. 36,000 miles. Bluetooth. There's your collision, lane change, heated steering wheel. Really hard to tell, but especially when the sun's on this, it pops. It's like a real pretty copper color. Carbon fiber looking. Goes all the way across the bottom of the dash. Then you have your wood grain accents. See your climate control systems, dual zone, heated and ventilated seats. There's your keyless entry. It does have built-in remote start. You have a wireless charging pad right here. 2 USB ports, auxiliary. Got your owner's manual there inside. This is a non-smoker. Great looking car.